this is me. Welcome to this week's theme on my Charlie's room tour or house tour. So let's get started. Let's now enter. So that is our couch here. Here's our couch. That's our a couch. There, that first. I sit there every day. That is our chairs. This is our TV, speakers, DVDs, and you can see here some play gadgets. Here we look at bears. Here, this is that is our TV. It's not so big. Our telephone, remote, brush, our angel stuffs. Here's something just to decorate. Our clock, our frame, our curtains. That is some rooms. Our mirror. That is our mirror. Yeah, we had here some brush, makeups, cottons, others. This is our room too. This is some stuffs. You can see that. That is our table. That is our computer, Wi-Fi, mouse, so much. Here's our chair. Here's our bag, some foods. Here, some stuffed toys. Here's our refrigerator, sewing kit. The whole place I want the refrigerator. That is our plate of some plate, a rice, some medicines, and our lunch box there. So we will go to our rooftop, of course. So I'm just opening it. Even hot. So I'm here, so we will go down our downstairs. So let's go. You can see our dogs. Our gardens downstairs. So hot. Our couch. CR. Kitchen. Some stuffs. Tables. Waters. Notebooks and books. Okay, let's go up. Let's go. My dog. So hope you like it. We're not so rich, but I'm so very thankful that I had this house. So you see the downstairs and the upstairs and our rooftop and our CR. It's so dark because I will not on it. So I'll just see you for the room tour of my room. So hope you like it. Yeah. So thanks for watching my video this week on my channel. Bye.